Hello, Python enthusiasts. Welcome back to our Python for Beginners series. I am Indunal Thembawana, and today we're diving into the exciting world of object-oriented programming, often referred to as OOP. But before we explore this powerful paradigm, let's quickly recap what we've learned in our Python journey so far. By now, you're comfortable with Python basics, variables, data types, conditional statements, loops, functions, data structures, and even file handling. Today, we're introducing you to a new way of thinking about code. Object-oriented programming is like a blueprint for designing your programs. It helps you structure your code by creating objects that contain both data and functionality. 1. Classes and objects. Classes are like templates, and objects are instances created from these templates. You can think of classes as blueprints for creating objects. 2. Attributes and methods. Attributes are the data that an object holds, and methods are the functions that an object can perform. Let's put object-oriented programming into action. Open your IDE and let's create a simple class, an object from that class, and see how it all works. In this example, we've defined a class dog with attributes like name and breed, and a method bark. We then create an object myDog from the dog class and call the bark method. Let's run our code and check the output. Object-oriented programming is a powerful way to organize and structure your code, making it more readable and maintainable. Congratulations on taking your Python skills to the next level with object-oriented programming. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to handle errors and exceptions like a pro, a crucial skill for building robust Python programs. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Until next time, cheers.